Hello, welcome you all. I am Vishal Chaya from AIT CS Rajkot. In this lecture series of industrial engineering, we are going to now start the chapter 2, that is work study. In this chapter, we will first focus on method study. There is a two part of work study. First is method study and second is work measurement. Method study is basically focused on each and every activity or each and every department or each and every method of doing production work. So method study basically focus on overall system to produce any product or service. So in method study we can define that method study is the systematic recording and critical examination of ways of doing things in order to make improvement. So basically industrial engineering wants to make improvement in production system. Overall production system can be improved by systematic recording of existing data. Then we will critically examine that data, and at the end we will define or develop new method which is better than present one. Further we can say that method study simplifies the job and develops more economical method of doing it. So method study also focus on simplification of job and economic criteria to produce any product. So each engineering activity can be performed in an economical way or in a cheaper way. So method study focus on also on economic criteria. Then we will study steps of method study. First step is select, second is record, third is examine, fourth is develop, fifth is evaluate, sixth is define, seventh is install, and final step is maintain. So now we are going to study each step in brief. So first step is selection. Here we select the job or task or any process in which we want improvement. We want betterment. So method study focus on improvement. So in first step we will select a job or any task which have multiple activities or any process to be studied. So in method study, first we will select a job or task or process to be studied. Then we will record that job, task or process with the help of different chart, diagram, table. So in second step, we will record all the relevant data related to job, task or any process that we have selected in previous step. Third step is examine. In previous step we have recorded the data with the help of chart, diagram or graph. Then we will examine critically that data by questioning technique. We can ask question based on purpose. We can ask question based on what is actually going on. We can ask question what is the sequence of activity or process. We can ask question based on person who is doing this activity. We can ask question based on method, how we are going to produce this product. Finally we are going to examine the data in a way to develop a alternative method. So in fourth step we will develop a new method that is better than previous one or present one. So we will develop an alternate method, we will develop an alternate solution that is in reference to present situation. After developing a new method or alternate solution, we will evaluate first this all alternative solution based on which method is best among these alternative solution. So in fifth step, we will evaluate alternate solution that we have developed in a fourth step. After evaluating the alternate solution and finding a better method, we will define a new method with the concerned people, with the management, with the worker. We will define new and alternate method that is better than present one. After defining new method, we will practically install this new method in shop floor by providing training to the concerned staff. We can implement this method in seventh step by providing training to the concerned staff. In final step, we will ensure that this new method that is better than present one will be maintained. So to maintain this new standard practice, we will establish a control procedure. By supervising the worker, we can maintain the new standard practice. Established control means we will guide and provide rules and regulation to the worker to practice this new method. So these all are 8 steps of method study. Sometimes it is also known as steps of work study. So don't be confused on it. So this all from my side. Thank you very much. You can contact me on Facebook and Gmail. If you have any question, you can type in comment section. Have a good day.